I can hear with my ears. I can smell with my nose. I can speak with my mouth. I can touch with my hands. I can walk with my feet. The moon, I love the sky, so blue, I love the birds, the flower, everything also. Two little windows hanging on the tree. Two little windows looking at me. I sit the tree as hard as I could. Down, came the windows, down, so good. Birthday Sabado, pitong araw, isang linggo, sabay-sabay natin awitin. Twinkle little star, I